Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create glass effect. Okay, how to create glass effect in Canva. So if you want to create a glass effect in Canva like this, so how to do it? So first what you have to do, I am going to just choose this size 1280 into 720. Okay, basically this is YouTube thumbnail size, but you can use it as a background or the wallpaper. This size will be perfect. Okay, now what I have to do, now just I am going to choose a background here. So these are some backgrounds which I can choose. Okay, so I'm going to find a perfect background. So this one is good, so I'm going to just use this one. Okay, so going to save it in my computer. Okay, now what I have to do, now just upload it on Canva. Okay, now choose it. Now just click on three dot and click on set as image background. Okay, now what I have to do is here you will see file option. Just click on this file option and go to setting and then click on add guides. Now click on custom and here you have to just type 0. Okay, first 6 here, type 0. Okay, here margin 2200. Okay, margin should be 200. Then here should be 200. Then here go and click on 0. Now click on add guide. Again there's something wrong here. Here it should be 120. Okay, it should be 120. Okay, now you will see like this. Now what I have to do, now again just click on this image and make it like this. Now go to border and corner rounding should be 60. Okay, now go to edit photos. Now here you will see blur. Click on blur. Whole image intensity should be 60. Okay, go back. Now again go to border. Weight should be 5. Okay, now click on border color. Choose variants, this one, and now click on it, and now click on this circular gradient. Okay, now what you have to do, now you have to just click on this duplicate page. Okay, now you have to download this one. Okay, so I'm going to download this one, and here all pages, I'm going to select second one, click on done. Okay, now here click on download, and then now click on download here, wait for a few seconds, click on save. Now upload the image and remove the background of this image. Okay, now just click on download, click on save. Now again delete this one and upload here. Now select it. Now first remove this one. Okay, first you have to remove first one, and now second resize it. Okay, like this. Okay, like this, resize it. Now here you will see edit photos. Now just go to edits, now go to shadows, now click on drop. Now you can edit size according to your need. Okay, amount of blur, distance, okay, like this. Then resize the image, okay, like this. So now you have created a glass effect in your image or in your photo. So like this you can use it. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.